It's been raining continuously, but the pigeons are enjoying the rain as though they are waiting to take bath from long. See how it is sitting, stretching its feathers so that the rainwater enters its feathers. They're not flying at all, even though it's raining. See how it is stretching its feathers. It wants the rainwater to go inside. Sitting like a duck. See, you can see one more behind the stool. See? They're bathing in the rain. They're enjoying the rain. I was just thinking, won't they catch cold if they get wet like this in the rain like us? Beautiful. This is eating in the rain, feeding on jawar what I put. See how they are sitting like that. Now it's time to fly. Chalo, fly.